Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. After showing how short videos making our channel viral, I'm going to show you how you can upload a short video in productive way and productive manner, so that also your channel can get viral by using short video. Actually, for example, here let me show you one among my shorts. I upload a short video and I got 829 views in just 2 days, right? Also, I have many short videos here, like this one. You see, 1,400, 883, 1,300. You see, there are many short videos here that got many views compared with others. So short videos are very important for small creators, also for developed one, because it helps us to get more views accompanied with time watched hours. Also help us to make our channels get viral. Let us now show you how you can upload a short video. So to upload short video, you come and click here on upload. Here you select video. Once you select video, try to use short one in your videos. Select short video. For me, I'm going to upload this one. Click on open. Then after this one, we are going to enter or to insert the basic information about our videos as usual when we are uploading. Then here, as usual, select playlist. Let us put it in this one. Then it's not made for kids. You come here and choose my content promotion. Such brands will not need it. Let us also come and create collaboration. I also show with you how you can collaborate with others. Let me collaborate it with my other channels, GOO Coding Academy. Also, I have another channel now teaching about life skills, GOO Wisdom Hub. This one, let me also collaborate with it. Then click on save here. You just click on save. About collaboration, I already showed you how you can do it. If you missed it, you can go back in our videos, you will get it. Now paste our hashtags here. As you see, nothing's complicated. You should upload step by step. Here we just need to choose a language. Here for language, better to use not applicable, so that any language viewers or audience can use, they can watch our video without specify certain language. Also need also to give it location. Here I'm using this one, United States, as one of developed country. Then after this one, now I can go on next stage. I think everyone is able to upload the video now. Then here is where we make very important task here, where we link our short video with full video by clicking on add. Then you can just come and select this one, how to use Google AI to create amazing video. Also you can use Google AI to create a video. Here you can learn different digital skills. Then here checking, in checking you see there is no issue found. It means that our video didn't violate YouTube monetization policy. So we need also to come and set visibility of our video. Let us use schedule. Let us make it premiere by just upload it on 22. Then here let us use 7 p.m. as time my many audience use on YouTube. Sorry, here is 3, but I want 7. Click on this one, then set it as private. Is it private now? Yes. What about time? Private to public. 22, 7 p.m. It means that I can now make schedule by just clicking here, right? Let us make it schedule. To mean that it will be public on 22, 7 p.m. After this one, you see is now already uploaded here, right? Is this one, and still now is in schedule. It will be public on 22 at 7 p.m. So thank you for watching this video. This is the simple way of how you can upload a short video, so that you can also get viral and help your channel to get monetization in just short time as possible. If you are new here, please don't miss subscribe, like this video, and share it to your colleagues so that also they can learn with us. And if you have any question or idea, please let us know in the comment section. So see you in the next video.